Hey drivers, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation with another segment on our maintenance toolbox. It's just a quick talk on breakdowns. I'm sure you're all well aware to some extent of part shortages throughout the country, throughout the world. Every fleet in the country is after the same 2 or 3 or 4 parts that are having major issues, major failures. So there is a real urgency to let us know exactly when you have an issue develop on your truck, when you have a code show up on your dash. You need to call us and let us know. These parts are on national back order. It could be months before you're able to get a part if you're in the wrong location, if you're in a shop that's not friendly to us. So it's extremely important that you tell us immediately. We like to say in the maintenance side that there's no good time for a breakdown, but there's lots of opportunities to make it worse. If you've got a code on, telling you something's going on, and you drive past 5 shops and you're trying to make a delivery, or you're trying to get home, chances are you're going to get in the middle of nowhere. You're going to get towed. You're going to get taken to a shop that may be a week, 10 days, 2 weeks to get you in to diagnose, only to tell you that they don't have the part and it's on national back order, and your truck's taken apart so they can't put it back together, so you're stuck. That's the kind of things that put the independent one truck owner operator out of business. So let us help you. Tell us when you've got a problem. We've got a very good network. We've got trucks that we can rob parts off of if necessary to keep you on the road. But there's only so many shops that will let us send them our parts to put them on. So there's a lot of hoops that we jump through these days to get things done. And we really need your help to help orchestrate these repairs in as quick and timely and efficient way as possible, so that everybody stays running, everybody stays in business. So, like I said, there is no good time for a breakdown. It's not going to get any better. It's not going to fix itself, but we can mitigate the damages. We can lessen the burden and the loss and the cost and the pain by addressing the fact as soon as you tell us, and we can make a plan. So that's it. I hope you watch these. Hope you gain some insight on it from the maintenance toolbox. Thanks.